Good afternoon. My name is Randy Wolken, President and CEO of MACNY, the Manufacturers Association, and the Manufacturers Alliance in New York State. Today is my May 7th, Thursday, COVID-19 update. The governor today had his press conference at New York Medical College in Westchester County. The total number of hospitalizations saw a fairly significant drop, down to approximately 8,600. The number of new cases is slightly up, with 607 cases on May 6th. The new hospitalizations per day took off quickly, but it slowed down now. There were a total of 231 COVID-19 related deaths on May 6th. Of these, 191 were hospital deaths and 40 were in nursing homes. This is a slight decrease from the day before. A total of 20,828 New Yorkers have passed away due to COVID-19. The governor stated that a top priority from day one has been protecting our frontline and essential workers. Of the sample of downstate workers who have received the antibody test, the percentage of healthcare workers who have had the antibodies is either about the same or lower than the rate of the general population. The governor said that this shows the importance of masks, gloves, using sanitizers as protocols, and they have worked with frontline workers. The governor updated that the Nourish New York initiative will bring products from over 2,100 farms to nearly 50 food banks, who will in turn provide 20,000 households with food within the next week. The state is asking philanthropies to assist in this effort. The governor announced that the state will be extending the moratorium on residential commercial COVID-related evictions until August 20th. Additionally, the state will ban late payments or fees for missed payments, and all renters to use their security deposits as payment to repay the security deposit over time. An executive order around this will be forthcoming. The governor recognizes that it's a strain on landlords who still have to pay the mortgages and electric bills on these properties. The state is working on a relief plan for landlords as well, and relief for banks. The governor acknowledged this is a trade-off, but at a human level, he does not want to see people being evicted at this difficult time. The governor said that it's not a question of will we reopen, but how we will reopen. It's important to get the economy running while protecting public health at the same time. What we are doing has worked so far, and the state will continue to make decisions based on facts and data versus politics and emotion. I'm encouraged by the recent announcements for reopening, which could start in areas of upstate as early as May 15th. Manufacturing and construction have been identified. I'm encouraged that this could occur, and I'm hopeful that will start next week. The legislature will be hosting the first of its virtual COVID-19 hearings on Wednesday, May 13th at 10 a.m. This hearing will focus on the federal response to the economic impact of the COVID-19 pandemic on small businesses, including farms across New York State. The hearing notice can be found in our updates. The New York State Education Department has an update, as does the New York City Department of Buildings. The New York State Development Guidance has made one small change. It's the guidance for automotive sales was updated under essential services to include vehicle showing. Automotive sales conducted remotely or electronically with in-person vehicle showing, return and delivery by appointment only was the modification. New York City also had some agency suspension reduction updates, as well as some school construction authority updates. You can find all of our updates on our website. You can see also the most related and new news as well. I wanted to encourage you to continue to look about how you're going to open fully or reopen in the next few weeks. If you're a manufacturer and all goes well and you're in Central New York or the Mohawk Valley, you're likely to get the opportunity to open more expansively, to include those non-essential services products and services that you could produce, as well as continuing to run your essential services. And if you haven't been open, now is your time. I want to caution you that in order to do so, you will need a plan. And the best way for you to get that plan is to work with others. We'd love to help you do that. You can go to our website and see Keeping People Safe and our Factories Running, which is an acclaimed program, actually already being touted in other states as well as New York. So we're excited and encouraged by what we're seeing in our community, and we want to see that continue going forward. If phase 1 goes well, we would expect phase 2, 3, and beyond. We need that to reopen our economy and to get moving again. This has been a very difficult time for lots of individuals. We all know that. And now it's time to get open safely. That's my update for today. I wish you well. I wish that you'll have a great evening. And as always, be calm, stay safe, and carry on. Have a nice evening.